Hey guys, everything looking out to here, and this will be fire alarm system test 13. So let's get started. Okay. We got a new device, and the panel is just the same panel as always. So yeah, panel is just the same panel. Yeah, pretty much. You can kind of see. There's the NAC encoder. Sometimes I'm doing code 3. There we go. Oh, I didn't say it before, but whatever, I guess. But yeah, it's just the same as always, same panel like always and all that. We still have the BNG1TS. We'll not be pulling this today. New on the system, it's a very old detector. That's right. It is an ESL 523C. It is very old, and I got this NOS off eBay for 10 bucks. NOS, brand new, and it works. And I have confirmed that these are actually 4-wire detectors. The 523C, this model 523C, the heat detector. You can see the light flashing in there as well. And it's got a little heat sensor on there. Not sure we'll be testing that today. But yeah. We got Wheelock MT, which is set to siren, but however, it'll be coded to code 3 on the panel, or by the panel. You still have the same 4904 91 remote strobe in the heat detector. We got a Firelight BG12, a net stator, and a Wheelock RSS, which is set to Finity Candela. And we got the ESL 445C. So yeah. I probably won't be doing the heat detector of the detector today, because again, I don't have the hair dryer right now. And yeah, so. Or the lighter. I don't have a lighter with me, so I don't. Or a hair dryer. But I'm going to use the smoke part of the. I'm going to use the detector part, the smoke part. So here we go. There's a lot of smoke to do that. There we go. Here it goes. Alarm silence. There it is. It's activated. We've got the plate to get all that smoke out of the chamber. This detector has a really big chamber. It really has a really big chamber. You see, this detector was made in 1981, which still works. So we're gonna reset. I'll reset. We'll watch it go. Set the light go out. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull the BG12, or the Firelight BG12. Let's do that. So here we go. Silence by your net stator. Give it a reset. reset by a nuts later. Okay. We'll be doing the ESL 445C. And I won't be doing this heat detector today because I've been testing it. So yeah, if you're all wondering. So, here we go. There it goes. Took a while to activate there. There we go. Down to an alarm. Give it a silence. Took a while to activate there with the magnet test, but yeah. There it is, activated. Alright. We'll give it a reset. So that's it, y'all. So that's it. That was Fire Alarm System Test 13. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you very much for watching.